Hi, Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. I just got this big box from my brother Nathan in Missouri, and I'm going to do an unveiling. I've popped most of the edges on it, and we're going to finish up the last piece, and let's see what's inside. Alright, so I got this side. Okay, so that's finished. Oh, more tape. Alright, let's see. We got...
Sarah won that.
Huh?
Sarah won that watching Kate play.
Okay, so this is the prize that Sarah won for watching Kate play. I forget what game it was, but she won that, so I'll make sure she gets that. Awesome. It's a nice leather apron. It's got pockets. Cool, I can stop using my plastic one. Have a little bit more protection. Awesome. Look. Shiny. These guys are awesome. Got a nice cutout. Nice piercing there. Wow. I see a bunch of turtles. Let's see, so we got that. This was the last set that he showed me that he got. That's awesome. So we got a nice ladle. Ooh, that's gonna make a really nice bun holder. That's beautiful. All right, we got another elephant. I don't see the silver anymore. I just see jewelry. I just see what it can become. Yeah, some bangles, some hinged bangles. It's a nice pretty set. Lots of cat forks. Some more dog forks. Lots and lots of silverware. Ooh.
I said him to organize it all for you.
That's pretty. Yes. Yep. It is nice and organized. Nice little sugar spoon. I see some of the things I've been wanting. Some spoons. Some more spoons. This looks like it is silver plated. And this little handle piece here looks like it's sterling. Generally is, but a nice 3-prong fork. So make a nice setting for one of our stones. Ooh. Some sterling silver wire, it looks like. Hard, medium, easy. I bet this is solder wire. It's really cool. A nice plate of sterling silver sheet. Little thick for bezels, but I'll be able to make some nice nice pieces cut out from this. Looks like some sterling silver 22 gauge. Oh no, it's 999. It's a fine silver 22 gauge silver wire. Ooh, nice sizer. I'm not sure if it's if it will take it up or down, but nice sizing bar for the wire. Coldwater Creek. Look at that. That feels like sterling already. I'm pretty sure this is all sterling. It's like a piece Nathan made, possibly. That's silver plate. Some nice. Ooh, look at. Digging right to the bottom. Look at that heart. That's pretty. And it looks like it might be a moonstone in there. It's pretty. little ring with a bunch of, I forget what the setting's called, but they're, oh, look at this guy. Oh, it's gonna make a crazy ring. It's beautiful. Little turquoise sterling ring. Really, really cool. Another souvenir spoon. Cool. Oh, let's go with this guy. This is heavy. Oh, is that?
Use your hand the other way, because
Okay.
I always see his hand.
It's a punch. I got a punch. It what this does is you can put your piece in there. You put your metal in here, and then you can take and punch this down, and that will pop out whatever diameter piece you need in the round. That is awesome. I'm excited. So it goes from 3 to 13, and then 7, yep, 3 to 13. That's exciting. These are what I've been waiting for. This is my oxygen and propane regulators for the bottles. This to help me really fine-tune my torch. Excited. We got 2 more things. Oh my. This thing is loaded. Silver solder chips, some little chain. It is loaded full of miscellaneous findings and pieces. Some bezel wire. I'm excited about that. Self-adjusting ring guards. That's cool. Looks like a sterling napkin ring. This will become a really nice bracelet. Like I said, I don't see silverware anymore. All I see is what it can become. I'm gonna have fun going through that later. We got one more box. This is a heavy one. Ooh. And we got a key. What is in here? More silverware. Let's see. A nice rose pattern. Another large serving fork. Serving spoon. Another serving spoon. We just got this set. We just got this daffodil set the other day. It's awesome. A couple of little spoons for turn into rings. Let's see. A little turtle and some other nice pieces there. This piece is from 1871 is when this piece was made. I forget the name of it, but I have totally sold out of it. Totally sold out of it. So now I have more. Awesome. Another couple small pieces here. Ooh, that's gonna make a really pretty ring. These guys will get turned into... Huh?
Turn it so the camera can see it.
Is it this way?
There you go.
So pieces. It's a nice, pretty pattern. It's nice and delicate. Makes some nice rings. And all these forks, these will become my dog forks. Looks like it's almost a full set of that stuff. Look what I got. It's another Rolex. It's another Rolex. I'm excited. I don't have this one. So I might have another Rolex ring. I'm excited. Right now, because I sprained my finger, it's still too big to put my rings on, but... Ooh, this is Heritage, I think. It's a nice pattern. Really nice for making heirlooms because it's called a heritage pattern. So we can do birthstones and things like that. Some more of the heritage, more heritage. Nice whole bunch of them. I love the patina on those. See if I can keep my hand out of the way. And then we got more of this pattern. I think that's it. Lots and lots of new silverware. So excited. Silverware! I always feel silverware poor. Always. So this is nice. I have a bunch of stuff to go through. Thank you very much, Nathan. I am excited. That'd be a new ring. New Rolex ring. I'm excited about that. I've been waiting for these guys for so long. Months and months and months. Okay. Well, that was the unboxing. I'm so excited. I love getting boxes like this in the mail. You never know what we're going to open up. These, if it fits, it ships boxes. I'll have to weigh this one later, but the last one I got was 64 pounds in a large flat rate. If it fits, it ships box. So excited. All right. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you hit the bell so you can see all of our new videos. Have a good day.